Ito yung ireregalo namin sa pastor ni Wade sa mag-officiate ng wedding namin. And ito naman yung para sa parents niya. Ito yung pinaka-iingat-ingatan ko. Kasi ito yung magiging cake topper namin. Pinagawa ko sa Pilipinas. Ito din actually from Philippines. Okay, day 2 na. Ang ganda talaga sa labas. Mainit. Pero ano na, 5 o'clock na. Ang taas pa ng araw. Parang 12 noon. Maaga ko nagising kasi maaga ko natulog. Marami ako nagawa. Naipag-uusap ako sa family ko. May mga ginawa ko sa computer ko. And nakapag-organize na ako ng mga gamit ko. So, yan yung aking mga dala-dala galing Pilipinas. May mga special gift ako sa mga groomsmen, sa mga bridesmaids. So, may nagpadala niyan ka-churchmate ni Wade. Tatanong ko kay Wade kung ngayon namin dadalhin to sa bahay niya. Ayan, nakapag-organize ako ng aking mga gamit. So, sineparate ko na yung gagamitin or dadalhin namin sa honeymoon. Gamit ko lang yan. And ito naman, gusto ko na siyang dalhin sa bahay ni Wade. So, look, ang dami ko kagad labahan. Inayos ko lang yung pang gagamitin sa wedding. Na-enjoy ko yung stay ko dito. Mukhang mahal dito. Ito yung nga pala yung aking dress. Maganda ba siya? Super mura lang yan. Sana maganda siya tingnan. Sa akin, di ba? Aha. Kitang-kita yung apple, oh. By the way, hindi pa ako nakakain hanggang ngayon. Ayan. Naready ko lang itong mga isusuot ko. So, bukas pupunta kami ng City Hall nila. Magpaparegister. Mag-register ba yun? Para kukuha ng license para sa kasal. And ito naman sa Wednesday. Kumuha akong apple sa baba kaninang umaga. Ang sarap ng pagkain. Wala pang bawas yung pandesal. Binili yan ni Wade. Pinay-grocery store. Dumaan talaga siya sa Filipino grocery store. Ang mahal. Wag na natin i-convert. So, yun lang. May gift agad. Pinagbigay agad sa akin. Pang-welcome lang to ha, guys. Dala-dala ni Wade nung nagsundo siya sa akin. Link to sa Sims family. So, kay Sis Jennifer and Brother Richard. Naging part sila ng love story namin ni Wade. Kasi siguro kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi rin ako magta-trust. Para bang hindi ko siya bibigyan ng chance na kilalanin. Kasi, sino ba siya, di ba? Totally stranger. Although nakita ko na siya sa church nung day na yon. Nakausap niya din si Papa, ganyan. Pero, wala. Parang, syempre, sino ba yun, di ba? Sino ba siya? Dito, welcome to the USA. We're so excited to meet you and for your upcoming wedding as well. Here's to you, your new beginning. Enjoy! Walang pakita yung gift niya. Grabe, napaka-genuine. So, merong ganda ng book. Always growing. Ayan. Ganda, maggamit ko to dito. So, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganito pero I think I need this bago mag-wedding. Kailangan ko maganda, di ba? Ayan. May complete set ng cleanser, sunscreen, serum para sa face and neck. And then, syempre, toothpaste, pati mga wet wipes, face and body wipes, moisturizing lotion, suabe. Yan. Deodorant. Kumpleto talaga, as in, pati panty liners, body wash, Doves, na sabon. Pero ang na-request ko talaga kay Wade, bago niya ako sunduin is lotion talaga kasi super dry katawan ko. Pati conditioner. Maganda naman ang conditioner nito. Monday. Tamang-tama. Kasi Monday today. May toothbrush, pressed powder. Hindi ko ito nakita kahapon. Yun, ang dami, di ba? Thank you. Alis nga pala kami para mamili ng mga pang-decoration and then bibili din ako ng... Siya pala magbabayad. Ako lang yung pipili. Maghanap ko ng mga flowers na gagamitin sa bouquet. Kasi ako yung gagawa ng mga bouquets namin. Sana maganda. Makakita ko ng mga daisies na gusto ko. Kasi may daisies na hindi masyadong malaki. Pero kung wala, sige, gagawa na rin ng paraan. Para magamit ko to for my bouquet or for the decoration. Galing pa talaga to sa Pilipinas. In-order ko sa Shopee. Diba? Mga Monstera. Kasi baka wala dito.
They're probably helping pay the bills. And then we'll look at the food. That's probably really good.
Have you tried that?
I've never had it.
Is it mayonnaise inside?
Probably.
No. I don't like that.
It didn't say. How many do you want?
2 is enough. Yeah.
Three's Company. Turkey, or like, deli meats in it. This is just cheese. Do you need that dressing?
Yeah. I want the dressing, babe.
It'll be down here. You're shopping?
Yeah. Yeah, my girls.
That's what you
Clearance means this is
It's
cheaper. Yeah. Looks like this is the bouquet of lily.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Really? What
They
kind of
had
business?
A yarn business. They said it was good.
But you said it's just $3. Why it's 5, 6? That looks. Are you sure with that?
For sure.
Yeah.
Cheers. But people will talk about it like it's not that important. And then, also you got to worry about. There's people in West Virginia that you never saw this, did you? There's an American flag.
Yeah.
To go back to my house. It's faster.
Oh, so many houses there.
Yeah, this is like this is the main part of Fairmont. Oh, lightning. I saw that. Maybe it cost $1 million.
$1 million bridge?
Maybe when it got built. I don't know. What in the world? Squeaking. This is downtown Fairmont. This is like the homeless people come here to eat food in the morning.
Oh, it's nice to see crowded.
This is about as crowded
Yeah,
as it gets.
this-
This is the most crowded it gets. Right here.
Yeah, but this looks like in Hallmark.
No, this is not Hallmark.
But no one is walking though.
Well, it's late.
No one is walking
Usually it's people
outside.
walking. Usually, I think everyone's still on vacation. It's much busier usually. Summertime, people are on. At 6 or 6 o'clock, there's more people too. This is late.
It's now, what time now?
Almost 8.
Oh, 8 o'clock, but still
7:50. It's okay.
the sun is still up.
That won't last for long.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
'Cause we're
Maybe around 9 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
It will.
It's like the longest day of the year was maybe 2 weeks ago. Like the solstice, June 20th. The summer solstice. The longest day of the year. And then around Christmas, it's going to be the shortest. Yeah, this is still Fairmont. I live far away. I need to live closer.
What's that? Why there's a lake, babe?
Oh, it's the boats. People like to get on the lake, or I guess river. I don't know what you want to call it.
Oh, it's not a lake.
There's like
It's a river.
speedboats.
Oh, that's Ribsville.
They take speed. Yeah, Reevesville. Yeah.
This part?
Yeah. But now we're coming to Reevesville. You gotta
Okay.
slow down here. It gets congested.
Oh, babe, 25, babe.
Yeah. It's
Ah,
okay.
That's beautiful. I think in the morning that's beautiful,
Oh, yeah,
especially the water and
When
then
the
the
sun's
green.
shining on it, it's really nice.
Yeah.
They call it the Redneck Riviera.
The
Yeah, just like a joke.
Oh, Ribsville Baptist Church, babe.
It's like an probably old IB church.
Is that good?
I mean, I think we saw one in here, and people said they went there. Yeah, actually, someone was already saved, and they said they went there. Defrosted. A lot of twists and turns.
Yeah.
Going home.
Eyes on the road. Yes, eyes on the road. Ground town.
Coming back.
Oh, why?
I'm gonna get the mail. So the mail's down this way. This is the city, like the police office right there, the police station.
Oh, you have a lot of neighbors. I thought you don't have neighbors.
Yeah, kind of a lot actually. Yeah. Small little town.
What mail, babe? You will get
Remember
mail.
I told you my mail is like different address?
Uh-huh.
I have to get it down here. No mail. And then we're back home.
Yeah, I cannot sleep here. You have a lot of neighbors.
No one know. Oh, so that's what you thought. You thought I was by myself over here.
Yeah.
Everybody
Here,
will know.
right?
Everybody will know Daisy. Sometimes my neighbors out there. We'll see. Yeah, if you ever see them, say hello. They're very friendly. She's so sneaky. Oops. Maybe stickers. Don't know what this is. We got a honeymoon phone.
I don't. What's this?
I don't.
Oh, okay,
Balloons.
props, babe.
Props, yeah. Balloon props.
Or are we going to use this?
If you want to, you don't have to. I don't really want. No, I don't want to use the rainbow.
Yeah, they might think
let's not do
something.
that. No, let's not.
Maybe just for our simple occasion here, but
Yeah,
not on
just
our
keep-
wedding.
Here, I'll keep this up there. But then, honeymoon fund. More of these. I don't know if you want these size for anything. I don't know where I got that. This is a little flower thing. I don't know what this is for. And then
From your mama?
she might have got it and gave it to us. Just Hobby Lobby. This is Hobby Lobby cards. So if anyone gives cards, we can put cards in here. And look, you put it down here, and they can put a card in here.
Oh, yeah.
So you know it's secret or money or whatever.
You sleep here, babe?
No, this is a spare bedroom. I don't know.
Yeah.
If you want pictures on it. TV.
Yeah. Oh, Super Mario?
No, it's all like made up games.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I wish it was. It'd be kind of cool. But it's a pretty good picture. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's all you think is cute. And then
That's cute.
Oh, it's a daisy. Some of this stuff might be from other people.
From your mama?
Yeah, I think mom gave you some of the stuff. So just like toiletries and things.
Mm.
There's old bags, yeah, yours. I don't know what this is, like a shower liner, shower curtain. And then this
What's
is all-
inside?
Oh yeah, there's more stuff like that. You can look, it'll take forever to look through.
Yeah.
Like a diary.
It's okay next time, babe.
Yeah, I think about that. So yeah, until he signs, it's not